Good morning all of you. Today we are taking chapter number first, business studies. The topic is classification of business activities. Business activities basis of two functions. So we will understand, we will take that part of the topic, business activities. Business activities basis on its functions. So business activities divided in two parts. That first is industry and second one is commerce. So industry also the industry is also divided the three parts, that primary industries, secondary industries and tertiary industries. So first we understood the meaning of industries, and then we go for their parts and we will understood all the three parts in details. So afterward, first we go for the meaning of industries. What is the meaning of industries? Industries refers to an activity which convert raw material into useful product. Understood beta? Industry refers to an activity. So in industry we do some activities, and that activities is converting raw material into finished good. Understood? So that is called industries. So industry also divided in three categories. These categories are primary industries, secondary industries and tertiary industries. First we go for, and first we understood about the primary industries. What is primary industries? So now we go for the primary industries. What is primary industries? Primary industries include all those industries which are concerned with extraction of natural resources and reproduction of living species. Okay? So in primary industries is depend on the natural things. Understood? So the nature is giving us some things that we are using. Okay? These types of activities are called primary industries. So natural things are using in that first time. The natural production we are using, that is called the primary industries. So in primary industries also the extractive industries and genetic industries. What is the extractive and genetic? Extractive industries are those which involve extractions of the something from the natural resources. ठीक है बेटा. For example, हम through the example we will understand. So minerals, fishing, rivers and sea, these types of, and forest, we are getting some goods from the forest. These types of industries are called extractive industries. Genetic industries also second primary industries. What is genetic? The genetic industries involved in the activities of rearing and breeding of living organism. ठीक है बेटा. So these types of, or we can say reproduction of living species. These are the genetic industries, like dairy farm, poultry farm, milk production and cattle related industries are the primary industries. So second we go for the secondary industries. So secondary industries, in secondary industries make and use of production which are extracted and that produced by the primary industries as their material. So we use raw material of primary industries and we change the goods in the finished goods. We change that raw material into in the finished goods. That is called the secondary industries. Understood beta? For manufacturing. Okay. So in manufacturing industries we use raw material and we get that raw material from the primary industries and we change that raw material into finished goods. That is called the secondary industries or manufacturing industries. In manufacturing industries, suppose we are making furniture. So from where we are getting raw material? From primary industries, from forest, and we are after we are getting raw material from forest like wooden and all, and we change that wooden or that raw material into finished goods in furniture. That is the manufacturing industries. So primary industries helps to secondary industry for the raw material. In secondary industries we change that raw material into finished goods. So that is called the secondary industry. In manufacturing and construction, manufacturing, when we use the raw material change into finished goods. Suppose the plastic and furniture, this furniture, cloths, ठीक है, timber items, ठीक है, iron and steel, sugarcane, and that all the things we are getting from as a raw material from primary side, and we are changing to secondary industries. Understood beta? Construction means when the construction is happening or new thing we are creating, that is called construction. These industries, first we take the definitions. These industries are the concerned with the construction of building, dam, road, and these types of industries are called the construction industries. The last one is tertiary or service industries. Tertiary industries is concerned with providing service which facilitate a smooth flow of goods and services. Service related industries are the tertiary industries or service industries. So transportations, banking, insurance and warehousing, advertisement, these are the example. Transport, banking, insurance, warehousing, advertising, these types of industries are called the service industries. Understood beta? So have you understood about all the things about the industries?